Hey everyone, welcome to today's vlog. Today we are spending the afternoon in Kenosha. We have to get our car fixed. So the first stop, of course, Starbucks. This time I was good. I got a green iced tea instead of coffee because I'm trying to whiten out my teeth again. Just haven't been happy with the way that they've been, and I'm not feeling really well, so I don't want to get coffee. Say hi.
Hi. Hey, brother.
Hey Yuri, look up.
Huh? Jelly Bean Factory?
Yep.
You saw that it was open?
Mm-hmm.
Jelly bean. Look at Mommy. We can buy the jelly bean and purple. Oh, cute. Come on, Mommy. Look at that Minnie Mouse one, Mommy. It looks so cute.
Yeah?
Come. Looks like the last one. Oh, look at these. I like these. These are really good. Can I grab one?
Okay. Michaela, hold it.
No.
Let's put them.
Oh, there's cotton candy. Love Thomas.
They all look so good, huh? He's getting cars.
Which one?
Yeah, we still have to pay for it. Ooh. They have so much stuff here. I thought it was just gonna be like candy. I haven't been to it in a long time, since like
Please spell, Mom.
a couple Easters ago.
Hey, Mom, look it. They even have these.
Cool.
Can I get this?
Chargers.
Yeah.
Wow.
No, this is yellow.
Oh, shoot. Are you going to ride the car with your brother?
What?
Are you going to ride?
Uh-huh. Giddy, come on. Start with Chewy.
It's a photo booth, bud.
It's crowded and small. Jelly.
Bean boozled. Interesting. I have to try that.
Up here.
Yeah. It's for the tour, the train tour of the factory. We're gonna have to come back and do that another time. So we're getting ready to leave the Jelly Bean Factory, and Yuri got, well, Gideon got Lightning McQueen gummies, and Yuri got this one, Princess gummies. Not
Yeah,
gummies,
I'm opening Giddy's.
Princess jelly beans. And then the nice man gave them extra pear jelly beans to try, and then what else did they give you? They gave him like a bunch, just like extra candy, because he was like, oh, that girl is real cool. Gave her a bunch of extra free candy, and then I was getting some fudge for me and Ben, and then since they're shutting down, it's like the end of the day, the lady was saying that they have a bunch of like fudge with walnut in it, and if I wanted it for free, because otherwise I'd have to throw it away. So I was like, yeah, I'll take it for free. So it was really cool. They were really nice.